Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're exploring what could very well be the best Google Home speaker on the market, the Google Audio Bluetooth speaker. This smart speaker is not only built for exceptional sound quality but also integrates seamlessly into your home, making it an ideal addition for those looking to elevate their audio experience while enhancing their smart home setup. First, let's talk about the sound. The Google Audio Bluetooth speaker features a powerful 3-inch woofer and a 0.7-inch tweeter. Together, these components deliver room-filling sound with deep bass, crisp vocals, and clear treble, ensuring that every song, podcast, or movie you play sounds as good as it should. Whether you're hosting a party or just enjoying some quiet time at home, this speaker provides an immersive listening experience. But the Google Audio Bluetooth speaker is more than just great sound. It comes with Google Assistant built right in, giving you the power to control your smart home with just your voice. Want to turn off the lights? Just ask. Need the weather forecast? It's right at your command. You can also stream your favorite music from Spotify, YouTube Music, or any other compatible service, all without lifting a finger. Setting up this speaker is a breeze. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can start streaming music or asking questions within minutes. Plus, if you're looking for an even more immersive experience, you can pair two Google Audio Bluetooth speakers for stereo sound. Imagine enjoying high-quality audio throughout your home, perfect for those who love to have music playing in every room. The sleek and eco-friendly design of the speaker ensures it fits into any modern home. Available in the stylish chalk color, it's as much a piece of decor as it is a functional device. The compact size means you can place it anywhere, from a countertop to a bookshelf, without worrying about it taking up too much space. If you're concerned about the environmental impact, you'll be pleased to know that Google has designed this speaker with sustainability in mind. Not only does it provide great sound and functionality, but it also ensures you're making a responsible purchase. In terms of compatibility, the Google Audio Bluetooth speaker works with smartphones, tablets, laptops, desktops, and other smart home devices. It's designed to fit right into your existing ecosystem, making it an easy addition to your smart home without any hassle. In conclusion, the Google Audio Bluetooth speaker combines powerful sound, smart functionality, and a sleek design, making it a top choice for anyone looking to enhance their home audio and smart home experience. If you want to upgrade your Google Home setup or are looking for a new way to enjoy high-quality music and control your devices hands-free, this is the speaker for you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. See you next time.